So the same idea, we have to solve this trig equation, except this time slightly different. Notice that the instructions say we need to factor. How do we know that we need to factor? Well, we have tangent squared, which, going back to stuff we would have studied in pre-calc 20, tangent squared theta we can treat like x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. So really what we need to do in order to factor this is find two numbers that multiply to 4 and also add to negative 5. Well, those would be negative 4 and negative 1. In the old days of factoring, we would put x minus 4 and x minus 1, but we're not dealing with x's in this case, we're dealing with tangent thetas. So we'll have tangent theta minus 4 and tangent theta minus 1 equals 0. The rest of this is exactly the same, so we would split this off. So tangent theta minus 4 equals 0. Tangent theta minus 1 equals 0. Deal with these one at a time. On the left, tangent theta equals 4. So then theta would equal tangent to the minus 1 of 4. Put that into the calculator, and if we go to one decimal place, we get 76.0 degrees. Go to the xy axis. 76 degrees would be roughly here. Again, we need to follow cast rules. We had in the question tangent equals a positive. So we need the other quadrant in which tangent is positive. That's quadrant 3, labeled with a T. We need to draw then a 76-degree angle from the x-axis into that quadrant, which would be about like this. And our second angle measured from standard position would go all the way around like so. So then our second angle would be 180 plus 76, or 256 degrees. Going to the second half of our factoring, where we had tan theta minus 1 equals 0, we'll take the 1 over. Theta would then equal tangent to the minus 1 of 1. Go to the calculator, put that in, and we get theta equals 45 degrees exactly. Again, go to the xy axis. 45 degrees would be about like that. Again, following cast. And looking at the question, we had tangent again equals a positive in this case. So we're going to be in quadrant 3 with a T again. This time it's a 45-degree angle into that quadrant. And our angle, measured from standard position, 180 plus 45. Our second angle in this case would be 225 degrees.